like we got a pretty good first start here, idling very nicely. Sounds good. I'll show you, it's a little difficult to see the oil flow, but it's right in here. Let's see if I can focus it. And you might be able to see the oil flow. I can see it. It's way down there. So we've got good oil flow. Got a good idle. And let's see. Blown a little oil out of the vent. Can't say that's not unusual on these race bikes. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. All right. So we got a good first start, got a good idle, got a good rev, blown a little oil out of the vent. That is, on these old race bikes with all that plumbing, you just never know what's supposed to do. Anyway, it sounds good. We have a first start. We have a running bike. I will see about test riding it after a little while once I work up the nerve and confidence. So that's where we are.